Hey dear student, today we are going to learn what is lattice energy, what is hydration energy, and solubility of a ionic compound, and solve various MCQ related to it. So we are going to learn today what is lattice energy. So lattice energy means it is the amount of energy required, that is, it is the amount of energy required to separate 1 mole of solid ionic compound into its gaseous ions. Means it is the amount of energy required to separate 1 mole of solid ionic compound into its gaseous ion. So let's consider a 1 mole of solid ionic compound, that is NaCl. If we give some energy to it breaks into Na plus and Cl minus, into which are in gaseous form. This supplied energy which NaCl required to form gaseous Na plus and Cl minus ion, this supplied energy is called lattice energy. Okay. Similarly, if we consider MgCl2, similarly, if it required Y amount of energy to form Mg2 plus gaseous ion plus Cl minus ion, gaseous ion, this Y amount of energy is called lattice energy, energy of MgCl2. Okay, so we may conclude that if any ionic compound breaks into gaseous anion, then if it absorb X amount of energy to form this gaseous anion, then the X amount of energy is called lattice energy. Okay, so to convert a solid ionic compound into a gaseous anion, the amount of energy required is called lattice energy. Okay, mathematically lattice energy equal to K into Q1 Q2 divided by R, where K is constant, Q1 is charge on cation, Q2 charge on anion, and R is ionic radius. Okay, so from this expression we may conclude that lattice energy is directly proportional to charge of ions and inversely proportional to ionic radius. Okay, now comes to hydration energy. Hydration energy may be defined as the amount of energy released when 1 mole of a ionic compound dissolved in a polar solvent or water. Means when a ionic compound dissolved in a polar solvent, it release energy. This release energy is called hydration energy. Okay, let NaCl dissolve in water, then we saw that NaCl breaks into Na plus and Cl minus ion. Okay, each Na plus ion is surrounded by water molecule like that. Okay, similarly Cl ion surrounded by H. Here we saw that NaCl breaks to form Na plus and Cl minus. We know that when a bond is break, it release energy. This release energy is called hydration energy. So now important point. When the hydration energy is greater than lattice energy, then the compound is soluble. Okay. Next important point. If difference between radii of cation and anion is large, then hydration energy is more. Okay. Similarly, if difference between radii of cation and anion is small, then lattice energy is more. Okay, these 3 points very important, you have to remember it. Okay.